What's up, guys? We're gonna go do a hotel. What the? Dude, are you kidding me right now? That's a body. No. Get ready to drive. It's coming this way. Dude. Oh, hell no. What the? Back off. How to quote carpet cleaning jobs in less than a minute. There's three ways you can quote. You can quote by the hour, you can quote by the square footage, you can quote by the room. If you want to know how I do it, then be sure to subscribe. When quoting, you need to identify whether they need specialty services like red stain removal, pet stain treatment, etc. Things to consider is your location, your lead flow, and whether or not you got employees. If you're a beginner, I recommend you price yourself just below the top guys in the area. Things can change throughout the year. The higher your lead flow is, the more you can charge. The lower it is, you can adjust it as needed. As you get better and start growing a good reputation in your area, then you can charge more. And this was how to quote a carpet cleaning job in less than a minute. How to clean and quote patio furniture in less than a minute. Tools you will need is a handheld pump-up sprayer, agitation device, and your spotting solutions. You also need an extractor and an upholstery cleaning tool like the one that I'm using in this video. First, you pre-spray using a safe but effective cleaner. Then you agitate it if needed and extract. No need to vacuum this type of upholstery. Be sure to treat specialty stains as needed. The best way I found to quote patio furniture was by the cushions. Larger cushions more, smaller cushions less. In this particular job, I charged $8 for the large and $6 for the small. Cushions can be many different sizes, so adjust as needed. And this was how to clean and quote patio furniture in less than a minute. Equipment you need to start a carpet cleaning business in under a minute. First, make sure you got a vehicle big enough to carry your equipment in. Secondly, you're gonna need a vacuum. Then you're gonna need an extraction machine. These can go between $500 to $20,000 plus. So make sure you can get that phone to ring before you make any large purchases. I offer a course that can help you with that. Next, you will need a pump up or battery sprayer to put down your cleaning solution. This can cost between $20 and $500. My advice is just get a pump up sprayer to start out with. You can upgrade later. Next, you will need a scrubbing device. This can go between $20 and $2,500. The $20 device, like a scrub broom, will be more labor intensive, but will definitely get you started. Next, you'll need a professional cleaning solution, otherwise known as Prespray. This helps pull away the soil from the fiber for extraction. These solutions may seem a little pricey, but with a solution rate of about 4 ounces per gallon, the stuff goes a long way. This was the equipment you need to start a carpet cleaning business in under a minute. Boy, it's nice to have enough hose. Local winery, I do patio furniture for very often, inside, outside. We do carpet cleaning for them. Great account. They're bottling right now. Wine industry. What's up, guys? You new to carpet cleaning but really don't know how to use a carpet cleaning wand? Check it out. So notice I'm doing a rinse front and back. I have my PSI at 500. And when I'm coming back with that rinse, I'm doing about 2 to 3 seconds is a good speed. So as I'm coming through, I'm making sure I overlap on the side and top. And that way you don't have any excess moisture left over and could create brown spots as it dries. So overlap, top and side. And now you want to do dry strokes. Those are the triangles that you see in freshly cleaned carpets. You do that to speed up dry time and also to prevent wicking. Alright guys, if you want to learn everything from chemistry to how to build a successful carpet cleaning business, check out the pinned comment below. Have you ever noticed how some people hate when you talk about how much money you make doing what you love to do? This is because they're not willing to put in the hard work and sacrifice to get it. It's that simple. And it ain't the money that makes you successful. It's that hard work and sacrifice it took for you to get it. So when I talk about how much money I made carpet cleaning, I'm just trying to show you what's possible for you. A little job today. We're inside the world's famous Hidden Valley Ranch. You know that ranch, Actually, I don't know, but I've drove by this place many times and I always wondered that. I'm gonna ask this customer, do an estimate, see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'll put my chain in. I don't know what I'm blinging for. Large tile job. And we're actually removing some mopping glue. I got a process for that makes it easy. I don't have to use stripper if it's mild. Now if it's extreme, you can have to use stripper, guys. I'm sorry, but check it out. Close up, so they can see the wax breaking apart. Like on the ground. Do you know how long I've been fighting for a place to put my backpack sprayer? You know, it's always right here. Just, you know how long it took me just to do this? You know what? I always say, if I can make it in this business, anybody can. Anyway, a little cubby hole right there in case you guys are trying to free up some space. Now that I got rid of that, I got so much space in here, I'm just throwing stuff in here. Put this in there, you know? Look at that. I love it. All right, so I get to the job. Just before I went to the job, I went and had lunch at Taco Bell. Needless to say, it didn't agree with my stomach too well. So I get to the job, knock on the door, and just I'm knocking on the door, I'm noticing these cramps, right? I mean, this is embarrassing, guys. So the customer opens up the door. I walk in to evaluate the situation, and their little dog keeps jumping up on me, just like, so I bent over, you know, just kind of pet it but as I bent over, guess what happened? I farted. So I was really embarrassed, right? But I did notice that the owner of the dog thought the dog did it. One more time. That dog jumped on me. I just let it go. That owner runs over to that dog, grabs the dog, and says, "Damn it, dog. Get out from underneath him before he shits all over you." All right, guys, really, really dirty white carpet. We're gonna use this right here, carpet details and some dissolve all. We're gonna boost it and I'll see what we can do. Carpet cleaners. If you wanna know how I went from making $40 per room carpet cleaning to $50 per room carpet cleaning overnight, you can take notes if you want. All I seriously ever did was just raise my price. So you're gonna find out really quickly. Overall, you're going to make more money. And they're not going to say no as often as you think they're going to say no. Go ahead and try it out for a week. Try it out for 1 week. If things are falling apart, just go right back to where you were. Want to learn how to build a carpet cleaning business successfully and not make the mistakes that most of us did? You're going to want to follow me.